Hello, good afternoon, my friends. This is Linda. I'm in our factory today. Here you can see is two-stand furnace body, steel shell with hydraulic tilting structure. Will be more safe to tilting under the liquid pouring system. And this furnace is for Pakistan customer. We'll deliver this month. For 5-ton copper melting, 5-ton copper melting furnace. And this is the cabinet in the middle one. It's for 5-ton copper melting cabinet. We have designed very simple. Now our operation for the furnace will be very easy. One button to start the melting furnace. We will debugging it well before delivery, so customer do not need setting anything. Yeah, this is a 8-meter long copper ingot casting line to equip the 5-ton melting furnace using. We melting scrap copper as liquid, then casting into this ingot caster to produce ingot, copper ingot. Yes, you can see. Each billet will be 30 kilogram. Okay. If you have any interest, welcome contact us.